All Home DIY Dad here. So I was in the market recently for some new products for some DIY projects around the house, just general maintenance stuff. And I was doing some research on, what I needed, and I came across an awesome company that makes tools and accessories, Workpro. I just thought I'd let you know about them. I was very impressed with their pricing. They had a lot of good products out there. And if you're like me, you're just sickened by how much tools cost these days. And I'm not a contractor, so I want a budget-friendly option. So I found Workpro, and they have an assortment of different tools to use just around the house. And I think they're a perfect brand for people like me who just do DIY stuff around the house, are a homeowner, and you just got maintenance to do. So I'm gonna go through a series of videos here, just going through a couple of the products that I ordered from them. They seemingly awesome products. And the first one I'm gonna go through is their 27.5-inch 3-drawer rolling tool chest. First thing I noticed when I got it is the build quality. Whenever you buy budget-friendly options, you always think, oh, you're gonna sacrifice a lot of quality and the finish may not be great, all that kind of stuff. That's not the case with this. It's sturdy, it's built well, all the parameters fit, the drawers fit and work nicely. Some of the features, all 3 of these drawers can lock with a lock that's kind of hidden behind on this side, and the cabinet can lock as well. If you're like me, that's kind of a nice feature because I got 2 little gremlin kids running around that get into everything. So it's nice to be able to lock up those tools that could be potentially dangerous for the little kids. Additionally, the top is not a bench top. I wasn't looking for one that is a bench that is kind of stationary and you can clamp to and all that. I wanted something I could kind of push to where I was working on things. And I really like that this has a deep tray. It's a good few inches deep, has a nice padded top so that when you put tools in here, you put nuts and bolts in, you don't have to worry about it falling off. It's really nice to kind of keep things up here so that you can move things around without it, falling all over the place. Additionally, the wheels on it, I was kind of expecting them to be plastic or chintzy or, sometimes you get these cheaper tool chests and the bottom is like the wheels you see on like an office chair and they don't roll over anything. This is great. It'll roll over anything in the garage, go over sawdust, anything that I need it to. And it comes with a real nice handle. And 2 of the wheels are actually swivel. So they'll move around nice and you can get your chest where you need it. I have kids that run around the garage and we play in the winter and in the summer and we got toys everywhere. So I can actually wheel this out of the way, get it out of the way, and then when I want to do a project, wheel it back out, and it works really nice. The drawers on this actually are very smooth. They don't have really much noise to them, and they fit really well when we put it all together. And they fit quite a bit. It's a good few inches deep. I got a whole reciprocating saw sitting in this one, and it fits perfectly. Same with this one here. Have a whole bunch of heavier tools. I'm not worried about the sturdiness of it. It barely budges when you push on it. And the cabinet is nice, good quality as well, and it's really deep. And so you don't have to worry about stuff falling out. You can put tool bags, a whole bunch of different bigger tools inside if you need to. So that's the 27.5-inch 3-drawer rolling storage cabinet for tools. I'm also going to go through a couple of other Workpro products in next videos to show you what I decided to purchase for my needs and what I was in the market for. And I think if I'm in the market for more tools, I'm going to check Workpro out. If you're interested in this product or any other Workpro products, please check in the description below the video. I'll link to all the products so you can check those out and also check for any discount codes I may have for it as well. If you're interested in following along and checking out the other products that I got from Workpro, please subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kind of up to date and all the other videos will pop up for you when I post them.